In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pay-per-lead counter in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way to track how many leads you've generated, automatically calculate what's owed, and surface those numbers anywhere you need them. Here's the basic idea. Every time a new lead is created, your lead counter goes up by 1. Your total payable amount updates based on your cost per lead, and those values can be displayed in dashboards, emails, or packaged into snapshots for reuse. We'll use the simple lead counter method so it's fast to set up and easy to maintain. Start by creating the custom fields that will hold your numbers. In your account, head to Settings, then Custom Fields. Create 3 number type fields named Lead Count, Cost per Lead, and Total Due. Be sure each one is set to the number type so you can run calculations on them later. As a best practice, give them starting values. Set lead count to 0, set total due to 0, and enter your cost per lead, for example, 25. If you bill with decimals, the number type supports that too. These fields become the single source of truth for your pay-per-lead tracking. Next, build the automation that updates those fields whenever a lead arrives. Go to Automation, then Workflows, and create a new workflow. Choose the trigger that represents a lead in your process. Common options include Form Submitted, New Contact, Opportunity Created, or Facebook Lead Form Submitted. Pick the one that truly means we got a lead for your setup. Inside this workflow, add actions to update your custom fields. First, increase lead count by 1, then update total due. So it equals lead count multiplied by cost per lead. Keep the order exactly like that so the total reflects the new count. If you have multiple lead sources, you can reuse this same workflow logic with different triggers, as long as they all point to these same fields. Before you roll it out, test it. Submit a test lead using your chosen trigger and confirm that lead count increments and total due recalculates correctly. If the total looks off, double check that all 3 fields are number type and that cost per lead has a value. You can now display these values in dashboards, drop them into emails with your custom field merge tags, and include them in snapshots so clients or sub-accounts inherit the setup. That's all you need for a clean, dependable pay-per-lead counter in GoHighLevel.